Travis with UTV Window Tint today. I'm showing you a brand new Can-Am Defender. This is the newest model. Comes with the factory privacy glass. As you can see, the back is a little darker than the front, so we're going to change that with our kit today. We offer a Can-Am front match kit. So this kit is going to be the exact percentage you need to make these match. We're going to pull this into my shop. We're going to tint it, and we'll pull it back out and we'll show you what it looks like. We are doing the Apex ceramic on this today, so they're going to get the highest heat rejection, which is going to help the AC work a little better. Plus, we're also going to do a banner install. So we'll pull it in. We'll be right back with a tinted machine. All right, so we're outside now. We've tinted it. We've installed our front match kit and the Apex ceramic. You can see how well it matches the rear. We also did a banner to this machine. So the install was easy. We took about an hour with the banner. It fits very, very good. No light gaps, no tucking or trimming or any sorts. So you'll find this kit on UtvWindowTint.com. It's a guaranteed fit, whereas some of the other manufacturers are just using cookie cut templates. We have adjusted templates to actually fit these machines. All right, thanks for watching that video on the pre-cut window tint kit to match your Can-Am Defender. If you had the factory tint, you saw how it was a little bit lighter in the front, a little bit darker in the rear. We made that match. So Tom, while we were on the video, Tom from Illinois ordered the same thing. So he ordered the front match kit with a full windshield. So it's in this box, ready to be sent out to him. I want to talk about why you should order from UTV Window Tint. We tint windows. We've been doing this for about 5 years. Our patterns are custom built to fit these machines and test fitted. Also, we've learned that UPS, FedEx, and the Postal Service like to damage these. So we found a way to ship this film safe and sound. And we have a 98% shipping rate without damage. So the film is in here. It's inside with a secret on how we ship those. So that way they don't get damaged. It works really well. So if you guys have any problems, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Travis. I'm available at 920-375-1333 or at UtvWindowTint.com. We're going to be running promos and specials all summer long. So stay in tune on our website. If you've just seen this video now, check out our YouTube channel. We have install videos on how to install these window tint kits. And check out the website because we'll be running promos all summer long.